In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay Later. Before we begin, a quick note. Apple Pay Later availability varies by country and may not be available to all users or merchants. If you don't see the option, it could be due to your region, your card, or the specific store you're shopping with. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where you manage your payment methods and Apple Pay settings. Take a moment to make sure everything looks up to date. Next, confirm that you have an eligible debit or credit card added to Apple Wallet. If you already use Apple Pay, you're likely set. If not, you'll need to add a card so Apple Pay can process your purchases. Eligibility can vary by bank and card type, so if a particular card doesn't work, try another one from a supported issuer if you have it. Now you're ready to shop. When you're checking out online in Safari or inside a participating app, choose Apple Pay at checkout. You'll typically see an Apple Pay button or option on the payment screen. If the store supports Apple Pay, this will bring up your wallet and your default card. If you're eligible for Apple Pay, later on that purchase, you'll see an option like Pay Later displayed alongside Pay in Full. If Pay Later doesn't appear, it usually means either the merchant or your account isn't eligible for that transaction. When it does appear, tap it to move forward. Carefully review the payment schedule, installment amounts, and the terms. You'll see exactly how the total is split, the due dates for each installment, and any important conditions. Make sure the amounts and dates fit your budget and read the fine print so there are no surprises. This review screen is your chance to double check everything before you commit. When you're satisfied, confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step securely authorizes the transaction. After confirmation, your order is placed and your Apple Pay Later plan is set according to the schedule you just reviewed. You'll receive on-screen confirmation and you can return to Wallet Later to see your payment details and upcoming installments. That's the entire process from start to finish. Keep in mind, availability and eligibility can change and not every purchase will qualify. If something doesn't show up the way you expect, double check your region, your card, and the merchant's support for Apple Pay. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.